Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brian. Today I'm doing a very quick short video. I'm doing one of Fiona Art's pours where she pours from a split cup up high and rotates the canvas. Hopefully we'll be able to create some of those feathering edges that she gets. I've been watching a lot of her videos. I was watching Mina when she's done a couple of videos the last few weeks doing this technique. So I'm really excited to give it a try. I've never tried it, so I'm just gonna do it on a very small canvas. All right, let's get down on the canvas and we'll get started. I'll be right back. I'm going to try one of Fiona's pours where she pours from a split cup up high and we're going to rotate the canvas, giving that feather action. I've got some leftover paints, so I've got Amsterdam in the primary Magenta. I've got Payne's Gray in the from Golden. Turquoise green from Amsterdam, and Venetian rose. 12 by 12 canvas is only going to need 5 ounces of paint. My split cup here is 16 ounces. So obviously I don't need to fill this all the way up, but I'm going to use up these colors. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my Payne's Gray here on the outside layer. Next to that, I'm going to put my turquoise green. Next to that, I'm going to put in my Venetian rose. My paints are mixed with mixed pour. I've thinned them down with a little bit of water so they're not super thick. You want thick paint, but these were really thick from my last pour. And the last color is the primary Magenta. All in there. All right, and as you can see, I painted my sides and edges with the Payne's Gray, and we're gonna get started here. really cool looking lines with this. All right, I've got a old scraped up color for flow extender here, so I'm just going to pour that around the edge. I just got to bring you guys down here so you can see these lines. All right, let's tilt this baby out. Okay, not bad. In fact, I love it. Digging this a lot. This is so cool. Let me clean up my edges. All right, this one dried well. I love the composition of this. Loving this pour. I've already got ideas to do for a larger canvas. So, but look how this dried, just amazing. All right, everyone, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. The piece dried well. Got some great feathering lines here. Just came out fantastic. I already know what I'm gonna do with the next piece. I'm gonna do it on a much larger canvas, but I cannot wait to give this technique a try again. So, very excited about it. All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in. I will see you on Wednesday. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye. My Bubba is sleeping. My Bubba is sleeping. It's like, can you get out of my face?
When you save money,